Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Me SKP welcomes you all to the wonderful world of miscellaneous TV. Today my video is about varieties of Bengali food. Bengalis are gourmet and lover of food. Bengali foods are unique and use variety of spices while cooking. So let's go to the depth of this video. Bengali street foods are found by the sides of the streets in Kolkata and nearby places. Bengali street foods are very much known for its tastiness and uniqueness. These are the Bengali street foods. Bengali main foods are those which are cooked in the houses. You can also find them in restaurants, and these foods are taken on a daily basis. Bengali desserts are known for its sweetness and uniqueness. Bengali desserts are so famous that it attracts people from outside to visit Kolkata and taste these desserts. Among these desserts, the most famous is Rasagolla. So friends, stay tuned. If any question arises about this video, please comment below. I am willing to sort out your queries. And friends, please subscribe to my channel because it inspires me to gain and spread more knowledge. So friends, stay tuned. I'll be right back with a new video. Stay blessed and healthy and always take care.